Jeg vil sige, at jeg har lettere ved at komme op af sofaen, eller hvis man ligger og ruder rundt på gulvet, så går det hurtigt med at komme op. Der kan man godt føle sig som en gammel mand før. Jamen det er som sagt det her med, at man tager noget tøj på, der ikke sidder stramt mere. Det har jo bare været fantastisk. Men også som sagt igen det her med det mentale overskud i hverdagen. Det har virkelig betydet meget.
I have something to do after work. It's not like going home direct and couching or making dinners, but I have something to look forward to. Like, okay, today I'm going for training, and I know I have a group of friends now here that I could talk to, I could exercise together, and we could have a cup of coffee after, we have a talk after, and it's gonna be fun. There's something that changed my life. I'm a Chinese here, and I don't have that many friends, so it makes my life more interesting. Really don't be afraid of trying something new, because you never know what you can do, because you can do a lot. Because before I didn't know I could do all this, now I could do it.